In this video, we're going to show you how to create client portals in SuiteDash for multiple businesses. If you've ever wondered if SuiteDash can handle the complexity of managing several client portals at once, stick around. We're diving into the key steps and also some alternatives that might work even better for your needs. First, let's talk about creating the client portals in SuiteDash itself. When you log into SuiteDash, you're going to want to start by navigating to the Clients section. From here, click on Client Portal to create your first portal. You can assign your portal a unique name for the business you're working with. SuiteDash gives you flexibility in terms of branding, so you can personalize each portal with logos, colors, and business-specific themes. This is really useful for companies managing separate client portals under one SuiteDash account. Next, let's move on to configuring permissions and features. One of SuiteDash's biggest selling points is how customizable it is. You can select which features of the platform each client can access. This allows you to tailor the client portal experience specifically to the needs of each business. Whether you want clients to access their invoices, project details, or even communicate with their team, SuiteDash lets you decide exactly what stays visible. Now, the fourth thing you'll want to consider is automating the workflow within each portal. SuiteDash does a solid job at letting you set up automation for tasks like appointment scheduling, invoicing, and follow-ups. This means that each client portal can run pretty much hands-off once set up. That said, automation is something SuiteDash does well, but it can get a bit complex if you're running multiple businesses with different workflows. You might find that as your business grows, you'll need more flexibility than SuiteDash can offer here. Next thing, managing client data across multiple portals. If you're working with clients from different businesses in SuiteDash, you'll want to ensure each portal has the right level of access and data management. SuiteDash allows you to organize client data, but as you scale with more businesses, this could become a challenge. You'll want to be mindful of how data is structured in your account to avoid any overlap. Finally, SuiteDash is a great tool, but it does have its limitations. For one, managing multiple businesses in a single account can be clunky. As your businesses grow or you manage different client types, you may find the platform's interface a bit overwhelming. SuiteDash is good, but it's not always the best when it comes to offering streamlined, seamless client portal management for businesses of all sizes. That brings me to what might be a better option for you. I'm talking about alternatives that handle client portals even more effectively, especially when managing multiple businesses. These options offer extended functionality, easier integration, and smoother workflows that you may need. They also come with their own free trials, so you can explore them risk-free. In the description, I've included a link to SuiteDash where you can grab an exclusive, extended free trial, but keep in mind, I've also included the amazing alternatives we mentioned earlier, which may be better suited for the goal of handling multiple client portals. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial available with exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Make sure you check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.